Hey guys, Paul Samia here. This is like take number 17, but it's okay. So I wanted to come to you real quick and let you know I finally got it. Woo! Finally got it. Took a while, but the content in the mission was actually the prize. This is just a bonus, and today I'm gonna open it for you. I wanted to do something fun and creative, but I don't have time or a camera crew, so we are just gonna do it here. So I got it like yesterday, and I haven't opened it yet, but it's my wife that has not done the challenge, that does not know what's in the box, that's more excited than I am. She keeps telling me, when are you gonna open it? When are you gonna open it? So I told her, be the tripod, and let me open it. All right, let's do it. Drop shipping knife. Okay. Before I do open it, I want to say that I took this challenge because I wanted to actually be trained by by Steven, Julie, and Russell. You know, I thought that would be awesome. On top of all the other training I've had, this kind of brought everything in, kind of laser focused what I'm doing and where I'm going. Okay? My wife is like, come on, let's go already. Here we go. Sound effects, drum roll. I'll clean it up, okay? All right. Item number 1 on top. Dear friend. Well, I'm not gonna read the whole thing to you. Basically, it says, you know, invite more people to do the challenge. Let me see. Yep, that's basically what it says. Awesome. Okay, and I'll show you the box here. This is very nice packaging, by the way. Probably why it took a while to make all this stuff. Cool? You should see her face. Okay. Item number 1. One funnel away. Soap? Soap? They sent me soap. I'm just kidding, it's not soap. It's the MP3 player with, I believe, some more training on there. Hopefully some traffic stuff. I love traffic stuff. All right, here we go. What else? Little instructional. Instructions. Hello. I can't wait to get into this. I live in Los Angeles, and this is gonna be my traffic buddy. All right? We don't need to put it all away. It would have been cool if it was soap, though. I wonder what ClickFunnels smells like. Bacon? No. All right, number 2. Ugh. What do you think it is, a box of cigars or something? It's a boy. No, okay, let's see. I'm gonna open it up gently because I'm already making a mess and my wife is giving me the evil eye. I'm gonna open it like it's my birthday. All right, there he is. There's the man himself, Russell Brunson. He actually gave me $100. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall. Awesome. For legit funnel hackers only. You see that? You see that? Forgot I was wearing this. Boom. Steven? Boom. Okay. The if I lose everything suddenly in 30 days. Believe me, throughout my career, there's been times where I've decided just to drop everything and start all over. So if I ever need to, you know, thank God I don't, but if I ever do, I will have some game plans from the professionals. My wife is already looking at this like, oh, I'm gonna read that on the airplane. If TSA doesn't take it away, because it's awesome! I love this thing. Look, this thing alone is worth the $100 I spent on this challenge. Forget about this thing. Look at this thing. I'm gonna get my son on this when he's old enough. Calm down. I'll clean it up, okay? I'll clean it up. All right, the 2 Comma Club coaching. I will eventually be one of these guys. Hopefully at the end of this year. Oh, there's no guys here. Awesome. I'm just shaking with awesomeness. One challenge away workbook, even though I've already downloaded and printed everything out. I'm actually not gonna, I have this thing, when I get books, or when I get any kind of information, I like to keep it like pristine. I'll read it like with tweezers, right? You should see like all my books. I read it like tweezers, and I try to keep them pristine as possible. I have a book, Words That Sell. I bought it because it was the last copy, but it's all bent out of shape and it drives me nuts. Anyways, so I'm probably not gonna draw on this. I have it all digital, but I will save it. Boom! Boom! All right, I'll stop. Stop being silly. And that's it. That's all of it. I believe so. I mean, I'm having more fun with this than... I wonder how long it took Russell to actually crinkle all of this stuff. Let me make sure there's no extra bonuses. Oh, there is. Boom, one funnel away challenge. Don't be shy. Honestly, it's the best $100 you'll ever spend. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you later.